Hello all, we are Team B202 here to pitch a product, Aquaproluvies.
Water covers 70% of our planet. However, fresh water is incredibly rare, due to which a huge population faces water scarcity. Recycling wastewater can extend water supplies, improve water quality, and reduce the disposal costs. There are multiple grades of wastewater: greywater from kitchen sinks, bathrooms, and washing machines, and blackwater from toilets. About 80% of water used in homes is recyclable. Yet, there is no established market for on-site recycling of wastewater for domestic use.
Our market currently comprises apartments, firms, and other large complexes. As these targets generate large amounts of water, which on recycling and further circulating to the households would seem economical to the consumers, with a division of expenses amongst all. Speaking about the aspects that would persuade any customer to buy our product, we have unique features like segmented recycling of water that allows it to be used for non-potable purposes, which no player has offered so far. The plant is fully automated and with a real-time monitoring system eliminates the need for on-ground maintenance. The IoT-based user application also keeps the users updated. Further, we aim for a zero discharge plant where the sludge is used for the power generation. This being a self-sustainable and eco-friendly product, we aim at the individual houses as our next market target. Looking into the competition in this industry, there are a large number of players who offer water treatment solutions. The positive scope is that there is no one who offers solution to deliver water to use again after treatment. Still, the competition is considered to be high since the well-established firms and other new players can set their foot into the space with some understanding of the market and research. Moreover, the threat of substitutes would be high since these solutions are the need of the hour and are in great demand.
As the name Segmented Recycling says, we treat our greywater and blackwater separately. The greywater passes through a series of filters like the rice husk, coconut fiber, which have antimicrobial properties, sand filter and carbon filter, where the minute particles get filtered and even the dirt matter gets absorbed, and finally through the UF hollow tubules, where even the smallest of particles are removed from the water. On the other hand, the black water passes through the sedimentation tank, then to the biological treatment tank, where aeration takes place and the flocculi is generated out. Then it passes through a separate series of sand filter, carbon filter, and UF hollow tubules to complete the entire filtration process. Starting with the black water, the pump is used to circulate the collected water through the respective filters, and the treated water is collected in a separate container. The turbidity value is checked and the output can be observed on a computer screen. Similarly, the pump is shifted to the grey water unit to finally obtain the treated clean water, and the turbidity is sensed here too. If the turbidity is not within the standard range, the system is programmed to stop the pump, thus the circulation. So, the bad quality water does not go into usage, whereas in the actual product, the system will be capable to redirect the water again to complete all the processes. On this front, we have validated the working of our filtration and monitoring system. The parameters data, which is sensed by the sensor system, can be visualized on the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE through a microprocessor interface, thus establishing a real-time monitoring system.
The data collected from the sensors is uploaded into the cloud using a Wi-Fi module. We, as a company, analyze the data to maintain the quality of water in permissible limits. We can visualize the data using graphs, charts, and this data can in turn be transferred to the mobile application in real time using the API keys. In order to track the data when there is no proper network, we'll be collecting the data into the local storage, and once the connection is proper, the collected data automatically gets transferred to the cloud so that we won't be losing any data.
The user application collects sensor readings from the cloud and processes it to ensure the proper functioning of the plant. The app shows the sensor data readings of the turbidity and water flow rate sensors and the pH readings of the output water. These data are also represented graphically. The sensor readings are checked with the permissible ranges, failing which an immediate maintenance is scheduled. There are also regular maintenances booked for every 30 days for ensuring the best functioning of the plant.
The front end of our actual product application has more elements which enhances the user experience in many ways. The initial part is where they can either sign in or sign up using the mail ID they use to register the product. The home screen of our application will have four sections. The first one being their products, under which each one will have its own dashboard with the details about its water quality, upcoming maintenance date, and the previous maintenance reports. The water quality will show only keywords good or bad, making it easy for the general consumer to understand. As we saw in the MVP's application, they can access the detailed information of all sensors if they wanted to. The other sections are updates about the firmware, blog, where we have rating system, comment section, and an audiobook, and an e-commerce page to show new products.
This is how our actual product would look with the greywater and blackwater system placed parallelly.
On analysis of some statistics based on the cost of water in Chennai and comparing it with the case when the customers use our product, we see that they save at least 45% when they buy the corporation's metro water. For private sources, the savings is even more, even after considering the running and maintenance cost on a regular basis. In the initial stages of incubation, we will focus on designing and simulating the sensors for the water monitoring system and work on cloud connectivity along with enhancing the UI UX design of the user application. In phase 2, we plan to develop the sensor and build a fully functional blackwater filtration unit. By the end of this period, we will have a market launchable product. The next phase is completely dedicated to selling and marketing for a better reach among the customers.
This is our team Aquaproluvies. Once isn't enough. Thank you.